This is Jeff Kerr of the Philadelphia Eagles on 24/7 Sports. Patrick Robinson is going to be one of the hardest free agents for the Eagles to retain this offseason. Robinson has a projected average annual value of $6.7 million in free agency. That's a hefty price tag for the Eagles, who are projected to be over the salary cap once free agency starts. Now, the Eagles need to make some moves in order to re-sign Robinson, if they choose to do that. If not, there are other free agent options available. Remember, the Eagles got Robinson for $775,000 last year. They can easily do that again with one of these players. Nickel Roby-Coleman was a free agent the Eagles tried to get last year before settling on Robinson. Now, Roby-Coleman played primarily at slot cornerback with the Los Angeles Rams and is much younger and cheaper than Robinson. Roby-Coleman is just 26 years old and earned just $855,000 in 2017. The Eagles only need to shell about $1.5 to $2 million to get Roby-Coleman this time around. Marcus Sherels is another option for the Eagles and can play slot cornerback. However, he is 30 years old and has been limited in the slot with the Vikings over the last 2 years. But he is an excellent punt returner. Sherels has 5 punt return touchdowns in his career and averaged 24.5 yards per kick return and 9.5 yards per punt return in 2017. Both were in the top 10 in the NFL. That fills a need for the Eagles. Delvin Breaux is an interesting option as well. Now, Breaux is a restricted free agent and played just 6 games over the last 2 years with various injuries. However, Breaux says he's fully healthy. The Eagles could take a flyer on Breaux if the Saints choose not to tender him, which isn't likely. Now, if the Eagles would get Breaux, he could play either the outside or the slot. If they choose to sign Breaux, and if he plays on the outside, that could free up Jalen Mills to play the slot, which is what the Eagles will probably do anyway, and not sign any of these free agents, if the Eagles choose to go that route. They do have options to replace Robinson. This is Jeff Kerr of the Philadelphia Eagles on 24/7 Sports.